Hey, here's a quick LinkedIn tip for you. There is on the top of your LinkedIn profile, when you go in to edit your profile, there is the opportunity to put in a very quick 10-second introduction of yourself verbally. It's called a name pronunciation button. It's right next to your name, and it's intended for people who have long or difficult names so that someone understands how they pronounce your name. However, use this, since you've got 10 seconds, even if you don't have a difficult name, use it to give an introduction and a call to action. A call to action is basically telling someone what you want them to do, and it increases the likelihood that they do it. In other words, instead of saying, Tammy Kabell, I want you to say, hi, I'm Tammy Kabell. I look forward to connecting with you here on LinkedIn. There. So connect with me here on LinkedIn. I'd love to have a conversation. There you go. Do something like that. You will find that it will increase the likelihood of someone giving you a call. And that's what you want. You want attention from LinkedIn, especially if you're in a passive or an active job search. Even if you're not, it's worth doing. Thanks. I'm Tammy Kabell, Career Resume Consulting. Thanks for watching.